no, the water is everywhere.
The pipe is broken. The water is coming out.
I'm scared.
What should we do?
I have a lot of clothes today.
The kids played outside a lot yesterday.
I will start the washing machine.
Okay, I hope it works well.
Did you hear that noise?
Yes, it sounds strange. The machine is shaking a little.
It did not do that before. Should we call a repairman?
That might be a good idea. Hello. Our washing machine makes loud noises.
Can the repairman come today?
The repairman is busy today.
When can he come?
He will come tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow feels too late. We still have a lot of dirty clothes.
Maybe the machine can work one more day.
The wash is finished.
That is good.
There are still many clothes.
Maybe wash them tonight.
Mom, we are home.
My clothes are very dirty. The washing machine is open.
Let us put our clothes inside.
I will add my shirt.
I will add my pants.
That looks like a lot.
It should be fine.
Did you two add clothes?
Yes, we put our dirty clothes inside.
That is okay. I will wash them tonight.
Okay, Mom.
Oh no, my blue dress is still dirty.
Which dress?
I need this dress for school tomorrow.
Then you should wash it.
The machine is already full.
Maybe there is still space.
I will try to put it in.
Push it a little.
It still fits.
Yes, it is okay. My jacket is still very dirty.
You want to wash that too.
Maybe just one more thing.
Are you sure?
I can push it inside.
The machine looks very full now. It is very tight.
Push harder. That is a lot of clothes.
I think the machine can wash them.
Let us go watch TV.
Yes, my show is starting. Turn the TV louder.
This show is very exciting.
I still need to wash one more load.
The repairman will come tomorrow. Is the washing machine empty?
I think so. The clothes are inside already.
Then start the machine.
I will start the wash now.
Okay, that should finish tonight.
The machine sounds a little loud.
And maybe it is just a heavy load.
The rain is very heavy tonight.
Yes, I hear the thunder.
The thunder is very loud.
The storm is scary.
The storm is getting stronger.
Yes, the rain is very heavy.
Did you hear that noise?
It sounds like the washing machine.
Did you hear that noise?
It sounds like the washing machine.
The machine should be finished already.
Let us check the laundry room.
The sound is getting louder.
I do not like that sound.
The machine sounds very loud.
Something is wrong.
Why is it shaking so much?
Let me look inside.
There is water on the floor.
That is not good.
The machine is shaking a lot.
Something must be broken.
Be careful, Ben.
I want to see the back. The hose is loose. Water is leaking out.
The water is spraying now.
This is very bad.
The water is coming out fast.
We must stop the machine.
Stop! Stop the machine!
It is still running.
The floor is getting wet.
The water is everywhere.
The water is spreading.
We must turn off the water.
The storm is very strong tonight.
This is a terrible time for this problem.
The water is getting higher.
I will find the main valve.
Hurry, Ben!
I am going now.
What is that loud noise?
It sounds scary. The floor is wet.
There is water everywhere.
Stay back. Do not come here.
What happened to the machine?
The machine is shaking more.
I am scared.
That thunder is very loud.
This is very scary.
The water is going into the hall.
The valve is very tight. I cannot turn it.
Ben! The water is getting higher.
Mom, I am scared.
It is moving now. Just one more turn. I stopped the water.
The machine stopped.
But the room is flooded.
This is a big mess.
The washing machine is broken.
The hose is tight now.
Good. The water stopped. The floor is still wet.
But it is much better now. The machine looks very full.
Really? Oh, wow. That is a lot of clothes.
Yes, it is very full.
Lily, Tom, did you put these clothes in the machine?
Yes, Mom. We put our dirty clothes inside.
There are too many clothes here.
The machine cannot wash this much.
The machine was too heavy. That is why it shook so much.
Oh, we did not know that.
We thought more clothes is better.
It is good that you want to help, but we must not put too many clothes.
Sorry, Mom. We put too many clothes.
Yes, we made a mistake.
It is okay.
We can fix the mess together.
Let us clean the floor first.
Okay, Dad.
The floor is very wet.
Yes, but we can clean it.
There were too many clothes.
That made the machine shake.
Can we start the machine again?
No, not tonight. The machine may still be broken.
We will call a repair worker tomorrow.
Mom, I learned something today.
What did you learn?
Do not put too many clothes in the machine.
Yes, too many clothes can cause trouble.
That is right. Machines have limits.
And always ask mom or dad if you are not sure.
Next time we will be more careful.
And we will put fewer clothes.
The repair worker will fix it tomorrow.
Today we learned a big lesson. Too many clothes can make big trouble.